DES is the branch of science dealing with identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. The options are morphology, B. Anatomy, C. Ecology, D. Taxonomy. The correct answer is D, which is taxonomy. Select the correctly written botanical or zoological name. Option A. Homo sapiens. Option B. Panthera tigris. Option C. Pisum sativum. Option D. Mangifera indica. The correct answer is B, which is Panthera tigris, because the genus is start from capital letter and the species is start from the small letter. First step in taxonomy is option A, description of organism. Option B, identification of the organism. Option C, nomenclature of the organism, and option D, classification of the organism. The correct answer is option B, which is identification of the organism. The third name in trinomial nomenclature is option A, species, option B, subgenus, option C, subspecies, option D, ecotype. The correct answer is option C, which is subspecies. Which of the following is the correct representation of organization's label in living beings? Option A, subcellular, cellular, individual, community, population. Option B, atomic, molecular, subcellular, cellular, tissue, organ system, individual. Option C, individual, population, organ system, tissue, cellular, molecular, atomic. Option D, atomic, molecular, tissue, individual, ecosystem, community. The correct answer is B, which is atomic, then molecular, then subcellular, then cellular, then tissue, then organ system, then individual. Which of the following statement regarding the universal rule of biological nomenclature is incorrect? Option A, biological names are either derived from Latin language or are Latinized. Option B, the first word in a biological name represents the genus, while the second component denoted the species. Option C, both the word in biological name when handwritten are separately underlined or printed in italic to indicate their Latin origin. Option D, the specific epithet start with a capital letter while the generic epithet start with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Mangifera indica. The correct answer is option D, which is the specific epithet start with a capital letter while the generic epithet start with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Mangifera indica. This statement is incorrect according to biological nomenclature. Linnaeus described 5,900 species of plants in his book Dash in 1753 and 4,326 species of animals in his book Dash in 1758. The option is option A, Philosophia Botanica and Genera Plantarum. Option B, Historia Naturalis and Species Plantarum. Option C, Systema Nature and Species Plantarum. And option D, Species Plantarum and Systema Nature. The correct answer is D, which is Species Plantarum and Systema Nature. ICBN is option A, International Code of Biological Naming. Option B, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option C, International Class of Biological Nomenclature. Option D, International Classification of Biological Nomenclature. The correct answer is option B, which is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Who wrote Species Plantarum and provide a basis for the classification of plant? Option A, Carolus Linnaeus. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C, Robert Hooke. Option D. Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is option A, which is Carlos Linnaeus. Classification system have many advantages. Which of the following is not a goal of biological classification? Option A. To depict convergent evolution. Option B. To clarify relationship among organisms. Option C. To help us remember organisms and their trait. Option D. To identify and name organism. The correct answer is option A, which is to depict convergent evolution. This is the not goal of classification system. An English naturalist who wrote the book Historia Generalis Plantarum and introduced the word species was option A. Theophrastus, option B. John Roy, option C. Cuvier, option D. Lamarck. The correct answer is option B, which is John Roy. Linnaean system of classification was based on option A. Morphology, option B. Ecology, option C. Embryology, option D. Cytology. The correct answer is option A, which is morphology. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1 A. Binomial nomenclature. B. Darwin of the 20th century. C. Father of botany. D. Father of medicine. Column 2 I. Hippocrates. 2I. Ernst Mayr. 3rd I. Linnaeus. IV. Theophrastus. The option is A. A. 3rd I. B. 2I. C. IV. D. I. Option B. A. 3rd I. B. 2I. C. I. D. IV. Option C. A. I. B. 2I. C. 3rd I. D. IV. Option D. A. 2I. B. 3rd I. C. IV. D. I. The correct answer is A, which is binomial nomenclature. Linnaeus. The Darwin of the 20th century. Ernst Mayr. Father of botany. Theophrastus. Father of medicine. Hippocrates. Most names in biological nomenclature of living organism are taken from which language? Option A. Hindi. Option B. Latin. Option C. German. Option D. French. The correct answer is option B, which is Latin. Carlos Linnaeus belonged to option A. France. Option B. Germany. C. Sweden. D. Holland. The correct answer is option C, which is Sweden. The main purpose of classification of organism is to option A. Study of geography. Option B. Locate plants and animals. Option C. Establish relationship amongst organisms. Option D. Study evolution. The correct answer is option C, which is establish relationship amongst organisms. The main objective of plant taxonomy is option A. To study the world's flora. Option B. To provide a method for identification and nomenclature. Option C. To provide Latin scientific name for every group of plant in the world. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. The plants were given Latin names because it is a option A. Simple language. Option B. Common language. Option C. Dead language. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C, which is dead language. Select the correct option for biological names. Option A. They are binomial. Option B, they are descriptive. Option C, they are universal. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. The scientific name of banyan is written as Fucus bengalensis L. Which of the following statement is correct regarding this? Option A, letter A dot signify Latin language. Option B, the name should be written reverse with bengalensis preceding Fucus. Option C, letter L dot signify the taxonomist Linnaeus, and option D, which is bengalensis is generic name. The correct answer is option C, which is letter L dot signify the taxonomist Linnaeus. In the binomial system of taxonomy developed during the 18th century by Carlos Linnaeus, the second word of an organism binomial name represent option A species, option B genus, option C race, and option D, which is family. The correct answer is A, which is species. Which one of the following books was contributed by Linnaeus? Option A, Systema Nature. Option B, Historia Plantarum. Option C, Historia Naturalis. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, which is Systema Nature. The internationally recognized biological names were given by Linnaeus in his book. Option A, Philosophia Botanica. Option B, Historia Plantarum. Option C, Species Plantarum. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is C, which is Species Plantarum. Founder of the binomial nomenclature was option A, Linnaeus, option B, Mendel, option C, Darwin, option D, Lamarck. The correct answer is option A, which is Linnaeus. Which one of the following is a mismatched pair of common name and biological name of an organism? Option A, Para rubber, Hevia brasiliensis. Option B, T, Thea chinensis. Option C, earthworm, Ferretima posthuma. Option D, frog, Bufo melanostictus. The correct answer is D, which is frog, Bufo melanostictus is mismatched pair.